Hi, good morning my dear students. Yes, last class we have discussed the very important concept of the continuity and differential. In the continuity, so many examples we have solved. Here another one different type of problems are there. So that is a very important problem. Let us discuss which problems are there. Find all the point of discontinuity of f, where the function f of x is equal to signum function sin x divided by x if conditions are most important, x is less than 0, and f of x another condition x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. So first you are going to consider, look at the question, solution given f of x is equal to signum function sin x divided by x if conditions are most important, x is less than 0. So second one, x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. So here you know that try to split up x is less than 0, first one, here x is greater than 0 and x is equal to 0. So these are not worked out here. In the last class, this type of problems we have solved. But here, another different method is there. Discussed in here now. Just observe how you are going to look at this. Sin x divided by x, trigonometric function with rational function. Already you know that every trigonometric function, some conditions are there. So sin x 2n pi. In that one does not exist. It means x 2n pi it cannot define because all are 0. So it can express for the 0. 0 is also constant. But in the cosec function does not explanation. So that is conditions are most important. Sin x is 0 and whatever you are going to, when you are going to define infinite does not exist. So that's why keep in your mind sin x divided by x. Here one trigonometric function is there. Here algebraic function. In the form of rational. So this condition does not work. So which method you are going to take? So another one important method is that. So let us discuss that one. Limit x here that before. So take the solution or otherwise you are going to consider equation. So at your conditions is there. Limit LHL, right? So in this LHL, I can take x tends to 0, f of x is equal to, right, sin x divided by x is there, right? Of course, you are going to think about this equation, it cannot convert. So because the reason x is less than 0 is there. That is a very important answer. So condition is equal to 0, this should be after for the limit, the result will be 1. But here the condition E less than 0. So that is the thing about this one. So then only I am going to think about put x is equal to 0 minus h. When h tends to, or otherwise you can take f here x tends to 0, then x tends to 0 or x tends to 0. X should be 0. So this means what? We are going to consider. When we are going to take x tends to 0, x tends to 0. Or otherwise you are going to define here the shifting property. So then only I can take both conditions. Here that clearly, so you can consider limit x tends to 0, right? F of x means what? 0 minus h. Right, x means, so here limit x tends to 0, applying for the limit. So sin x, 0 minus x means 0 minus h. Please keep in your mind here directly does not apply for the limit because the reason x is less than 0 is that condition it cannot apply for the limit. So here of course you know that limit. So x tends to 0, sin minus h. So here minus h and you are going to define minus limit h tends to 0, minus minus can cancel, or otherwise you can take sin h by h, this means now 1. So because you can keep observe sin minus theta minus sin theta, right? Here h is there, then only negative both are get cancelled. So next one, here finish for the LHL. Why am I going to take LHL? So LHL, this is x is less than 0. So then only I can take LHL, right? Clear to think about this is LHL. So greater than 0, RHL, right? So next value, we are going to find out for the RHL. Limit x tends to 0, f of x, another value, x plus 1. Alright, you can put it direct, there is no problem. Or otherwise, we are going to another method. Put x is equal to 0 plus h when x tends to 0, then x tends to 0. Right? This is R4. You know that we are application limits and derivative. In the first year, we have studied applying further limit. So here, just observe limit x tends to 0, right? So f of 0 plus h, limit h tends to 0. So here 0 plus h plus 1, x means, right? Apply the limit. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, it means 1. Hence very important things. So this one, LHL is equal to RHL. Hence f is continuous at x is equal to 0. In that individually, you are going to define each step. If, so keep in mind, if or otherwise, so here sin x is continuous function and x is also continuous, sin x is continuous and x is continuous, it is algebraic function or polynomial function. In this one, so both are in the form of sin x divided by x. If x is less than 0, is also continuous because both are continuous, right? So that the f of x, last one, f of x is equal to x plus 1 is a polynomial function. Hence all the functions are continuous except this point, other points are discontinuous. So we will go to another few example in the next class. Thank you so much.